So I'm not going to do examples from page 89 because you can deduce that information from 90. 89 is just the tell me why they're similar and write the statement. So I'll do that on one of these questions, and then I'll actually answer the question and find the link. That way you know how to do both pages 89 and 90. Okay. So let's look at number 5. But first I'll address 4, actually. 4 works so that HG is associated with JG. These work across from each other. And then similarly, KG goes with GF when you're working with that. So those match across from each other primarily because of the parallel lines with those arrows on them right there. These arrows imply that the lines are parallel, which means that these angles correspond with each other and they're congruent. And then similarly, these angles correspond and are congruent, so that should help you get started on that one. And then back to number 5, you want to explain why they're similar and then find each length. So let's just do the similarity statement first. First thing, triangle, T, S, U, that's the big triangle surrounding all of it right there. I'm going to get rid of that. Is similar to triangle W, V, U. It's the order they go in. And then the reason you know they're similar is because you have a side that matches a side. So that's the S part. And then you have the angle in the middle, angle S and angle V. Technically TSU and WVU. And then you have this other side, you have SU making the bottom of the big triangle, and underneath it kind of you have VU. So you have 2 in 1 almost there. So that's a side. And then I forgot to write this A for angle. And then side again, and that is the similarity theorem that tells you they are equal. And then lastly, to find the side measure, you set up a proportion. So 42 over SU, whatever that is, that's what we're looking to find, or US, it's the same thing, I shouldn't write it like it is though. US is equal to 28 over 26, and then from here you cross multiply. So 28 times US is 28 US, whatever that is, equals whatever 42 times 26 is. And that is 1092. And in the last step, you divide by that 28. Divide by 28. And you find that the measure of US is 39. Not 391, that was just me writing weird on this iPad. So 39, similarity statement, how are they similar, what theorem, and then you cross multiply after you set up the problem.